Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can copy paste in Microsoft Word mobile version. So the first thing to do, you can install the Microsoft Word via Play Store. You can access a Play Store or App Store and search for Microsoft Word. Here we go. This is Microsoft Word, edit document. So here, make your word shine, convert PDF to docs, write with confidence, format images and tablets easily, tables easily, do more with Word on your phone, collaborate in real time, cross-device secure access, and so on. In order to use all the services, all the feature, you need to create or you need to sign in into your Microsoft account. So from your Windows, from your PC or your laptop, you can create a Microsoft account first if you don't have one. So you can synchronize with the Microsoft Word in your mobile with in your laptop or PC. So don't forget to update Microsoft Word edit documents in order to fix some our minor bugs. Here, after that, you can open Microsoft Word edit document. So after you sign in, after you are logging in, you can open one of your document. So I made this video for the first time using Microsoft Word in mobile, or first time use a typing application on Android phone. Here, in order to copy and paste, you can click or you can tap this pencil edit icon. Try to write something here, copy paste. So in order to do this, you can hold the text, all the text, and here if you notice there is a sizer, it means cut. There is two like paper here, this is the copy, and there is a clipboard, this is the cut. So in order to do copy, you can tap on these two paper icon. Now the text is copy here, and in order to paste it, just tap this copy paste, as you can see. Now, and also you can hold the document and tap this clipboard icon, then the text is copy pasted. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. See you in the next video.